Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert Bitcoin to USDT Tether on Binance exchange. So this tutorial is quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Binance application, you want to go ahead to your trade option in the middle. On trade option, you will see here at the top a lot of options like copy, buy, spot, and so on and so forth. All you want to click is convert. Once you have chosen to convert, you want to convert to USDT from, and you're going to choose an option Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, from July the 1st, there are some restrictions for stable coins like USDT. If this is for you too, then I would suggest to just go ahead and use USDC. After that, you will see how much you get of USDC. And that's basically it. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.